Welcome back, Crafting Spirit Boosters. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Improvised Arts and Crafts.
Well, Sandy and Patricia, here's my first coloring journey. Today is what? March the 27th, 2023. Got this from the Dollar Tree. Must upgrade and go online and buy a adult coloring book because this is very too much for children. It is a mermaid book, so I just made a colored the cake, and I call myself putting some Easter eggs in there. You probably can't see them that well, but I just wanted to join you guys and enter. I forgot about the instructions, but I'll just upload this, let you guys see it, and then Pat or Sandy can tell me, am I supposed to hashtag or what? Happy Easter. Well, happy Easter. Happy coloring, y'all.
Thank you so much, Crafting Spirit Boosters, for joining me for this episode. Until the next time, happy crafting!